Beneath the waves, unseen and unstoppable, Israel's Covert underwater drones patrol silently. Today, we dive into a secret world where cutting-edge technology meets national defense. From stealth reconnaissance to precision strikes, these machines are changing naval warfare forever. Stay with us, because what you're about to see is classified in every sense of the word. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a world most people will never see, a hidden undersea battlefield where Israel's Covert underwater drone fleet operates. These are not your ordinary naval vehicles. They are highly advanced, silent, and deadly, built for surveillance, sabotage, and intelligence gathering. Imagine machines the size of small submarines capable of moving undetected beneath the surface, mapping enemy coastlines, and gathering critical data. The stakes are high because these drones are Israel's unseen guardians, ensuring the nation's safety from threats lurking in the deep. In this video, we'll explore the technology, the missions, and the sheer ingenuity behind these underwater marvels. By the end, you'll understand how Israel has turned the ocean into a secret battleground, patrolled not by sailors, but by machines that see and act with precision. Stay tuned as we uncover these hidden defenders, from their design and capabilities to the missions that have made them a legend in covert operations. Israel's journey into underwater drone technology started decades ago. Faced with threats from multiple directions, the nation needed a solution that was silent, precise, and virtually invisible. Traditional submarines were powerful but detectable. Engineers and scientists began designing drones that could patrol without notice, carrying advanced sensors and communication systems. These unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs, were engineered to survive extreme depths and handle rough underwater terrain. Each drone is equipped with sonar, cameras, and even small robotic arms for handling objects or planting sensors. Over the years, iterative improvements have transformed these drones from experimental prototypes into a fully operational fleet. Their development involves cutting-edge AI, navigation algorithms, and stealth technology that rivals the most advanced submarines. The drones' quiet propulsion systems allow them to move undetected, while encrypted communications ensure their missions remain secret. Israel's commitment to innovation and survival has made these machines not just tools, but essential members of the nation's defense strategy, capable of performing tasks too dangerous or covert for humans. Each Israeli underwater drone is a technological marvel. Typically measuring between 3 to 6 meters, they are compact yet packed with sophisticated hardware. Their hulls are built from reinforced composites, allowing them to withstand high pressures and avoid sonar detection. Propulsion is silent, using electric motors and advanced hydrodynamic designs to glide through water undetected. Sensors include high-resolution sonar, night vision cameras, chemical and biological detectors, and precision navigation systems that allow them to operate autonomously. Some models are capable of carrying miniaturized payloads for reconnaissance or sabotage. Communication with command centers is encrypted, often using acoustic signals that penetrate deep waters. AI systems on board allow these drones to make split-second decisions during missions, identifying objects, navigating obstacles, and even tracking enemy vessels. Engineers have integrated redundancy systems to ensure the drone completes its mission even if some components fail. The combination of stealth, autonomy, and endurance gives Israel a significant advantage in naval intelligence. These drones are designed to operate for hours or even days underwater, silently gathering information or executing precise interventions, all while remaining almost invisible to the human eye and enemy sensors. Israel's underwater drone fleet is not just technology for show, it's a cornerstone of national security strategy. The Mediterranean Sea and surrounding waters are critical for trade, military positioning, and regional influence. By deploying these drones, Israel can monitor maritime borders, detect smuggling routes, and gather intelligence on potential threats without risking personnel. The drones also serve as deterrents, signaling to adversaries that any hostile movement is under constant surveillance. Beyond defense, they support offensive operations in the event of conflict, capable of disabling enemy vessels, planting sensors, or conducting sabotage. Their existence complicates enemy planning, forcing opponents to consider invisible threats lurking beneath the waves. For Israel, this fleet represents asymmetric power, a small country leveraging technology to maintain dominance in naval intelligence. These drones multiply the capabilities of traditional naval forces, extending Israel's reach far beyond its coastline. In essence, they act as silent guardians, protecting strategic interests while remaining unseen, allowing Israel to react swiftly to any undersea threat. These drones have been involved in missions so secretive that details are rarely confirmed publicly. From reconnaissance near hostile ports to underwater surveillance of shipping lanes, their operations are highly classified. Some reports suggest they've been used to intercept smuggling of weapons and to monitor submarine movements of neighboring nations. Other missions may involve planting sensors or conducting electronic surveillance, capturing critical intelligence without risking human life. The drone's ability to operate for days underwater allows them to monitor enemy activity in real time, providing commanders with actionable intelligence. Every mission is meticulously planned, with drones following pre-programmed routes and adapting autonomously to unexpected obstacles. Covert operations like these showcase the advantage of unmanned systems over traditional methods. The world above water might never notice their presence, but beneath the waves, these machines are silently shaping the balance of power. Israel's strategic edge comes not from brute force alone, but from a network of intelligent, invisible defenders quietly safeguarding the nation's maritime domain. While the drones operate autonomously, they are integrated into Israel's larger naval strategy. Command centers monitor real-time data, coordinating drone movements with manned vessels, submarines, and aircraft. This integration ensures that intelligence gathered by drones translates into actionable operations. For instance, if a drone detects a suspicious vessel, naval forces can respond immediately with precise targeted action. The fleet acts as a force multiplier, extending the eyes and reach of the Navy without risking sailors. Joint exercises simulate real-world scenarios, testing communication protocols and operational efficiency. Integration also includes cybersecurity measures, ensuring enemy attempts to hack or disrupt the drones fail. Israel's military planners view these underwater drones not as standalone tools, but as essential nodes in a broader defense network. Their coordination with other forces allows the country to maintain maritime superiority, enforce security zones, and project power far beyond its shores. Operating in a submerged environment comes with unique challenges. Strong currents, underwater obstacles, and variable salinity can affect navigation. Enemy forces may deploy sonar detection, electronic countermeasures, or even capture attempts. To counter these, Israel has invested in advanced AI, adaptive navigation, and stealth materials. Drones can adjust depth and route in real time to avoid detection. Redundant systems ensure missions continue even under adverse conditions. Regular updates improve resistance to emerging countermeasures, ensuring the fleet stays ahead of potential threats. Engineers constantly test scenarios in controlled environments and live exercises to refine drone performance. In the cat and mouse game of undersea warfare, staying invisible is as critical as the ability to strike. These drones exemplify a blend of technological resilience and tactical ingenuity, ensuring that Israel maintains a decisive edge despite evolving challenges in the maritime domain. Israel's underwater drones are influencing naval strategies worldwide. Other nations are taking note, recognizing that unmanned underwater vehicles represent the future of naval warfare. The fleet demonstrates how a small country can leverage innovation to secure its waters effectively. Reports suggest that Israel has shared knowledge with allied nations, further expanding the influence of these systems. As global maritime threats evolve, ranging from piracy to espionage and asymmetric warfare, unmanned fleets become indispensable. Israel's success has sparked research and development programs globally, pushing underwater drone technology to new heights. In addition, the fleet contributes to deterrence by making adversaries wary of operating undetected near Israeli waters. The strategic implications are profound. Unseen drones beneath the waves may soon become a standard in naval defense, and Israel is leading the charge in proving their effectiveness. The future of Israel's underwater drone fleet is even more astonishing. Upcoming generations are expected to feature enhanced AI, longer operational endurance, and swarm capabilities where multiple drones coordinate autonomously. They may carry more advanced sensors, deploy miniaturized drones for micro-surveillance, or even integrate with aerial drones for coordinated multi-domain operations. Research into bio-inspired designs, such as mimicking fish movements for stealth, is underway. Energy efficiency and wireless underwater charging could allow drones to operate indefinitely in critical zones. These innovations will make the fleet faster, smarter, and almost impossible to detect. Israel is not just maintaining an edge, it's defining the blueprint for next generation underwater defense. The nation's investment in this technology signals a commitment to protecting its shores while shaping the future of naval warfare worldwide. The unseen defenders of Israel are a testament to human ingenuity and strategic foresight. These underwater drones operate silently, invisibly, and effectively, performing tasks that were once unimaginable. They protect borders, gather intelligence, and serve as a deterrent against threats both near and far. In a world where maritime power is essential, Israel's Covert fleet represents the future of naval defense. From cutting-edge engineering to daring covert operations, these machines embody the fusion of technology and tactical brilliance. If you found this dive into Israel's underwater drone fleet fascinating, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the world's most secretive military technologies. Share this video with friends who love defense technology, and let us know in the comments which secret weapon you'd like us to explore next. The ocean hides many secrets, but we bring them to the surface for you.